This electronic breadboard is used to translate your circuit design into a reality, without solder. The radial sets of 5 holes are electrically connected. There is no connection across the channel. To connect the ends of 2 components, their ends are placed in any 2 of these 5 holes. The 2 components are now electrically connected in the adjacent holes. To separate the ends of a 3-volt cell, we straddle it across the channel. To create a 6-volt battery, we connect the ends of the cells positive to negative. The breadboards may be joined using the end connectors. The polarity of the cells is shown, red for the positive terminal and blue for the negative one. Connect the battery to the circuit. Connecting a red lead between 2 holes on the breadboard is equivalent to connecting 2 holes with a copper connector on a printed circuit board. As we complete the circuit, the light emitting diode, or LED, lights up. To be clear, radial holes are used to make electrical joints, axial ones are not. Whatever the complexity of the circuit, these simple principles are the same.